What's up guys, you're watching the Street Show, and if you're new on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 4 error, and the error is E-82000113 cannot redeem the voucher code. So simply it's a voucher code redeem gift card error. So I'm just going to share my screen on my left side. Here we are at the screen. Let's go to the store. You can do it in the settings also, and you can do it from the directly store. Here is in the left, you have a redeem codes, a payment method in the redeem codes. Here you simply put it your gift card number and you get the error. So why you simply get the error sometime, I'm just suggest you going to look at that. You just go to the settings and then account management. Here we are at the account information, and then you just go to the address. Here is the address. You must check your PSN account, country and a region. So if you have, here is the UK, you must have a gift card, a UK gift card. If you have a US, you must have a US. If you have a Middle East, you must have a Middle East. So you must have a same region gift card, then it will be redeem it. And after that, if you have a your PSN card from the UK, but you try to add a redeem codes from the US or Turkish, it's not gonna work. So you must have the same. So simply that's how you can do it. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one.